Hello everyone, welcome to all. Today we will learn subtraction using the standard algorithm with a place value mat. Let's understand this with an example. How to solve 52 minus 27. First, let us show the number 52 in place value mat. So we placed 5 tens in tens column and 2 ones in ones column. This makes 52. Now we subtract 27 from this 52. In 27 there are 2 tens and 7 ones. Let's subtract ones place value first. So we need to take 7 ones, but we have only 2 ones in ones column. So we borrow 1 10 from the 10 column and convert this 1 10 into ones. So it become 10 ones. And already here 2 ones are there. So now in ones column there are 12 ones and in tens column 4 tens are left. Let's subtract 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you can see here 5 ones are left. Now move to the tens place. Subtract 2 tens from 4 tens because in 27 there are 2 tens. So when we subtracted 2 tens from 4 ones, we are left with 2 tens here. So finally, let us count what is left on the place value mat. In the tens column there are 2 tens and in ones column there are 5 ones, which makes 25. So the final answer is 25. 52 minus 27 is equal to 25. You can see this in a standard algorithm also. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share the video, subscribe the channel for many more such upcoming videos. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Link is given in the description. Thanks a lot.